Hello guys, welcome to weekly outlook here on gold, the pound USD, the USDCAD, and of course the DXY. And basically, last week was beautiful. Last 2 weeks we had this dump. The previous week had a retracement. Last week we then had this continuation here, and then looks like we'll still have more room to the downside here on the DXY. A possible retest of 103 region, possible retest of 103 region. If that's going to happen for the week, then for gold, gold is really different. I'll come back to gold later. So on pound USD, I'm anticipating a continuation to the upside. If we continue to see a movement here on gold, on DXY, to this down side this week, or let's just say at market open something happens and we'll have a pullback, any pullback a little bit to this region before we continue to the downside. Same thing. I'm looking for DXY to retest 103. So if price is going to pull to 103, then I'm anticipating price to continue at price open. Possible break of this region of 125 region, very strong psychological level. A retest of 125 and we'll retest to 126 for the week. Or for the week, one more time, we might just get maybe like a little pullback at market open, and we'll still get that break retest and continuation to 106. If we have a very strong signal or a strong volatility next week, we might even see price break 126 regions, maybe at testing 160, 2650 and above. Same thing, Euro USD, the USD card. I'm pretty much anticipating for price to continue to the downside, but I'm looking for price to come break this low, break all the regions of this 136, make a new low and retest this region, and then we can continue, soaring to the downside around 135. Or we could just get maybe a pullback at market open, maybe after price reaches this region, come here to create like an M, come back to break these regions one more time, and then retest, and then continuation, something like that. So I'm looking at this region as a very strong one here around this region. So this is what I'm anticipating. For Euro USD. Before I get for the bonus, coming back to gold, what I'm anticipating is two things. If the war within Palestine and Israel is still ongoing and a lot of uncertainty, we might still see gold continue to the upside. But before then, sliding down to the 1 hour time frame, we might have a pullback, a little bit of a pullback first, maybe to these regions of 1970. 1970 region, or possibly 1970 region here. And we might just get that pullback to this region. Price come back to break this high it made last week and retest and come back all the way to the high it made previously, 2005. All right. So this might be what we're looking for. The only reason why I might be shorting gold, is, and if price comes to break down this trend line, break down this region, we might see price retest here and possibly here, something like that. So if we keep seeing this kind of movement, then yes, we might sell gold to 1930. But I'm still very much bullish, and I'll be very much confident for more buys on gold if price breaks 2005 region and we can soar to the upside. And lastly, the bonus, Euro USD. Euro USD, same as the pound USD. I'm anticipating price to continue to maybe break 109.50 region, retest this region here, and then we'll come ultimately to 110 and then 110.50, 110.60 regions. The prior to that, we might just have maybe a pullback to this region one more time, and we still do the same thing to get to that side. All right. So that's that for the week. I'm looking so much for a good setup here on pound USD. You know how it is. Pound USD here is looking really great to continue to the upside because the DXY is strongly bearish. I'm looking forward to hit 103. So wish you to bag more pips this week, and we'll have a lot of news this week as well. So trade carefully. I'll see you guys during the weekend for recap. Make sure you enjoy the week. Ciao.